What the fuck? Ah, damn!
Why does everyone have to drink beer in pictures? How hard is it to get drunk nowadays if you have to show it off in pictures? It is. Oh, let's do the tour. Give me the tour, dude, of the art gallery. Give me the tour, bro. Right here is my favorite piece. Bought this from the Pink Floyd DVD, The Wall. So badass, you had to put it on the wall in the corner? Yeah, I put it in the fucking corner, bro. That's very smart. This fucking chick, psycho, is trying to kill herself. Yeah, cause this motherfucker fucked it up. Look. She's trying to kill herself, bro. I'm glad. Yeah, right here, bro. She's fucking wannabe nurse. Not even a real nurse. Just a wannabe. Went to job for over 2 years. Popular shit. Right here, bro. I'm gonna tell you, so come here, check this out. This is fucking Chino, bro. Reincarnation, bro, right there. Chino didn't die, though. This is fucking reincarnation. Chino Rainbow. Okay, I gotta show you this, bro, right here. Check this out. This guy right here, bro, we got this in the mail. This guy is a sex offender. Fucking awesome sex offender.
And this motherfucker's a sex offender too. Look at that little faggot.
That's why he's right there. Because that's the future.
He's like, hey, my name is Josh. Look.
Zoom in, fucking 15-year-old. Put it here, bro. Put it here. Where does it say? Right there, 15-year-old victim, bro. You can't see it. Look. Did you see my fucking Stedman, bro?
Hey man, trying to grab my ass right now, dude.
What the fuck? Hey, what's wrong with you, fucking faggot?
How you doing with this? You see my Stedman? Yeah, I like how it's underneath the light where it should be. Oh shit, watch out, we got a freestyle right here. What's up? Oh shit!
Yo!
Oh shit, Joel!
Got my fucking shield and I'm fucking put up the paddle. It's all good because I got my fucking paddle.
Oh!
Fucking put it up your fucking ass and get a horse and use it as a saddle. Because I'm a right to the east and a right to the north. It's all good because I done got a felony. I'm about to go to fucking court. Yo, that coming, that's a cobra up there. You look at my old shit that I was wearing. It was a
dude, are you fucking tripping out or what?